Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Starling stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from our hook. Make 1 chain and then make 1 double crochet into that same chain where you just worked that double crochet. So all together in that chain, it's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. You're going to now skip 2 chains and work a double crochet V-stitch into this next chain. So double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same chain. Skip 2 chains, make a double crochet V in the next chain, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip 2 chains, make a double crochet V into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same chain together. Skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet V stitch into the next one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet V into the next chain, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet all into that same chain. Skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet V into the next one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same chain. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 chain left. You're going to work 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Make 1 chain to skip over this next double crochet V-stitch. In between these 2 V-stitches, we're going to be working right here into this space. Make a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet into that space all together. Now we're going to repeat this. Make 1 chain. Skip this double crochet V right here, but in between these 2, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. Make 1 chain, skip this next double crochet V, in between these 2 right here, working into this space, make a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet all into that space together. Make 1 chain to skip this next double crochet V stitch. In between these 2 V-stitches right here, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet into that space between them. Make 1 chain to skip this next one. Into this space between these 2 V-stitches, make a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet all together. Make a chain to skip this next V-stitch. In between these 2 into this space, make that single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Now make a chain to skip this last V-stitch. You'll see you have this V-stitch and then some chains at the end of this row. You're going to skip this V-stitch with that chain, and then into the tops of those chains, you're going to make 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. We're going to skip the first stitch. We're actually going to be ignoring what we made in our last row completely. For this row, we're going to work a double crochet V-stitch into a double crochet V-stitch 2 rows down. So skipping all of this, you're going to notice this is a double crochet V. You're going to work a double crochet V into it. So a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. It's going to be worked over the row we just made, and it looks like that. Skip to that next double crochet V, which is this one right here, and work a double crochet V into it. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and you're going to repeat this. skip to the next double crochet V, work a double crochet V into that one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip to the next one, work a double crochet into this previous one, skip to the next one, this one right here, work a double crochet V into that one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. This is how it's looking so far. Skip to this next one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that previous double crochet V-stitch, and then you're going to skip to your last one, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into that previous V-stitch. At the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work 1 regular double crochet by itself into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Starling stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.